As-built survey is an essential process in the construction and architecture industry, providing accurate and detailed documentation of the final built environment. In Bangalore, one of the leading companies that excel in conducting as-built surveys is SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, located in Marathali. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted and reliable name in the field of as-built surveying. With their team of experienced professionals, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers top-notch as-built survey services in Bangalore. Their expertise lies in capturing and documenting the precise measurements, dimensions, and specifications of existing structures and spaces. By using advanced tools and technologies, they ensure accuracy and efficiency in their surveying process. The as-built survey services provided by SCON Design India Pvt Ltd are tailored according to the specific needs and requirements of their clients. Whether it is a residential building, commercial complex, or industrial facility, their team is equipped to handle projects of any scale and complexity. They understand the importance of capturing every detail accurately, as this information is crucial for renovation, remodeling, or any future modifications. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd follows a systematic approach in conducting as-built surveys in Bangalore. Their team visits the site to assess the existing conditions and conduct thorough measurements. They then create detailed drawings, plans, and 3D models that accurately represent the current state of the building or space. These documents serve as a valuable reference for architects, engineers, and project managers throughout the design and construction phases. What sets SCON Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other companies in Bangalore is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They strive to deliver precise and comprehensive as-built survey reports within the agreed-upon timeframe. Their team ensures clear communication with clients, addressing any queries or concerns promptly. They also offer post-survey support, guiding clients through the interpretation and utilization of the collected data. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd's expertise in as-built surveying has earned them a stellar reputation in Bangalore's construction industry. They have successfully completed numerous projects, garnering positive reviews from satisfied clients. Their professionalism, attention to detail, and commitment to excellence make them the best choice for as-built survey services in Bangalore. In conclusion, when it comes to as-built surveying in Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd in Marathali stands out as the best company to rely on. With their expertise, advanced tools, and systematic approach, they ensure accurate and comprehensive documentation of existing structures and spaces. Their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction makes them a trusted name in the industry. Contact SCON Design India Pvt Ltd for all your as-built survey needs in Bangalore.